Minute Mate time!
Oh, great! It's Minute Mate time! Here's what we're going to make today. A toothbrush holder whale. And to make it, we'll need a plastic knife, an old toothbrush, and we'll also need some air-drying clay and some googly eyes. Now, we can get these from an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. I've got them. Here they are. Googly eyes and our air-drying clay rolled into 2 small balls and 1 big one. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Let's make it in a minute! Get the big ball of clay and just flatten the bottom by pushing it like that. Then, with your fingers, squeeze out a tail shape. That's it. Like this. There we are. Very nice indeed. Now, if I turn it round, we can give our whale a face. And we do that very carefully with a plastic knife. That gives the whale a nice smile. Give him 2 eyes. There's 1 eye there, and there's the 2nd eye going on. There it is. Right, let's get the 2 small balls of clay, and we're going to push them into the side of the whale's body like that, and flatten them slightly. That gives him fins. And then if we get a toothbrush and stick it in the middle, you've got yourself a toothbrush holder whale!
Stop the clock!
What a fantastic toothbrush holder! And if you've got more than a minute, you can paint it a nice bright colour, like this blue one here. In fact, you can make all sorts of toothbrush holders, like this hedgehog. It's made out of a pointy ball of clay, and it's got lots of toothbrushes for spikes. Or how about a spiky caterpillar made out of 5 balls of clay? A toothbrush holder whale made in a minute. Why don't you try and make one? Here's a reminder of how to do it. Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Flatten the bottom of the large ball of clay. Make a tail. And a smile with a plastic knife. Add the googly eyes. Stick on the small balls of clay to make fins. And finally, push in your toothbrush to make your toothbrush holder whale. Lovely. Why don't you try making it in a minute?